gentle with it. It's a fuzzy worm. A fuzzy orange caterpillar.
Yeah, probably we can leave it there.
Yeah, that would be best.
Yeah, so that means Bull won't get him. He is scary.
That bull? Yeah. Pretty scary.
Yeah, so right.
I see your shadow.
My shadow?
Do you see it? I see Lola's and yours.
Mine.
Look, I see your wing shadow.
Hiya, I'm flying.
Okay.
Where's that bull?
Well, we're gonna just leave the cows alone. We're not bothering them, and they won't bother us.